This is your remote learning tutorial. Checking your assignments and completing them are extremely easy. Once you're in, choose the class you wish to check. Each week, your teacher will upload their assignments for the week to ensure everyone's on task. Once you've completed your assignments, go to the Assignments tab and click Submit. We are having a couple new features though, such as the discussion board. All you have to do is go on your Assignments tab, click on the discussion, and contribute with a couple sentences. Tests are pretty similar as well. You'll see those tests inside your weekly lesson plans, and then on the day that you're supposed to have the test, an assignment will open up. You then click on that assignment and click Take next to where it says the quiz or test. It's pretty much the same as we've been doing for the rest of the school year, just remotely. Something completely new that we're using is Zoom. So go to your classes, click on the class you're looking for, and on the announcements section, it should say Zoom class schedule. Right there, you'll see your meeting ID, which then you plug into the Zoom app at the time that's allotted and date. So you just take a look and wait for your teacher to open up the meeting, and then you'll get back to learning. The one thing I can recommend is to stay on top of your assignments. Although it doesn't look like it's too much, you have to keep in mind that it's an entire weekly lesson plan. So every day, make sure you get your allotted time of homework, sit down, and finish it up. Using these tricks, we hope you have a great remote learning experience. Stay safe, explorers.